Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open your Instagram application. In Instagram application, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then here tap on edit profile. In edit profile, under the profile picture and avatar, tap on edit picture or avatar, then select avatar. Here you need to enable this option, add to profile picture. Here you can see that I selected avatar instead of the profile picture. This means when someone opens your profile, they will see your avatar, not your real profile picture. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.